Okay, so the reason I do reviews is because I love to buy things and I need to because I have an Airbnb. And I have to say I've had these about over a year, maybe a year and a half. And, you know, people at Airbnbs, a lot of time they don't care what they do to your stuff. And you can see these still look amazing. There's nothing burnt. There's nothing melted. They've been through everything you can imagine. So I liked them so much I actually did buy them for my own house. So yes, I wanted to share that. Oh, there's so many in there that, you know, I have them in different areas over here. So just know these don't melt. They don't stick. They work great. They do.
Only little mark on this one. The color is off. I ran them through the dishwasher. They don't really have spots on them. They're cool. I dried them off. They're okay. This is dishwasher safe. On this side, it says they're not dishwasher safe. I don't know. I think this is for a different set because these don't have wood handles. But I'm gonna test them out for a few weeks and see how they go.
And we're gonna need
I'm really happy that they're not Dollar Tree plastic. They are really silicone, and I understand they're not going to fit back in the bowl cup when I take them out. So I didn't take them out, but when I do, I'm going to put the ones I like in here.
So my cookware set, awesome. I haven't used every piece of it, but it turned out looking exactly like the pictures.
So this slides up and down. This happened when I first got the set. Gets in your food too.
Love the color of my silicone utensils. They work well and they don't burn when you put them on the edge of a pan.